Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will tell you all about gestures on your headphones JBL Live 300 TWS. So, if you slide to the left on your left earbud, you will turn on talk through mode or ambient aware mode. It depends what you choose on gestures. Right here I choose talk through mode, so I turn on it. So I should swipe right here. Let's test it. Now I'm trying to turn on, and I did it. And now I slide again to turn off it. Cool. Now, if you press one time on your left earbud, you will turn on Google Assistant. But I have an iOS, so I can do it. But you can, if you have Android. Now, let's go to Spotify. I can play and pause the song by pressing one time on my right earbud. So let's check it. Now I play it and I press again to pause the song. Let's go. Now, if I press two times on my right earbud, I will play next song, and if I press three times, I will play previous song. So let's check it. Now I am pressing two times and I play next song, and now I will press three times to play previous song. Let's go. Now, if I press and hold 2 seconds on my right earbud, I will turn on Bixby or Siri if I have iOS or Samsung, and if you have another Android device, you will mute your microphone. So let's check it. I'm just press and hold. Hi Siri. Let's go. Now, if I slide to the right on my right earbud, I will increase the volume, and if I slide to the left, I will lower the volume. So let's check it. Now I'm trying to increase the volume. Let's go. And now I'm slide to the left to lower the volume. Let's go. Cool. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing two times on your right earbud, and then you can reject a call by pressing again two times on your right earbud. Let's check it. Okay, I'm pressing two times. I call the phone, and now I'm pressing again two times to reject it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.